Yo, alright, so listen. Alkaline drop a new song and we are gonna dive into it. So, if you guys are not familiar with the channel, I have realized that Alkaline fans them is like probably the most loyal fans I've ever encountered. Especially in the comment section. If I say Alkaline song is a 7, they try to debate it. But big up Alkaline. We are gonna listen to him new song. So before we go any further, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you are a bang bang. Anyway, so watch out now. I could dive into it right now because I kinda love when time I review Alkaline song now, because loyal fans them love go against what me say. And like me say, if me give song a 7, a 8, a 9, just my point of view, that is my opinion. Okay? So make we go. Alright, so far, the rhythm and everything so far sound good. I'm not gonna lie about that. The rhythm sound kinda, yeah, I like how the rhythm, the intro part sound good. Righteous root, alright, pull up the mark. Now listen, if an assistant me up mute the song, I mute the song before every 10 seconds. Alright? So if you don't like it, you can go in the originals video. The video gonna be in the description, or the song gonna be in the description, where you can direct to Alkaline channel, where you can get the, you understand? The official song without the pause, and this is a review. So that is why we are pausing the video, so you can get a review, okay? You know you walk one. Hold it. Yo, that tough, you know. Now look unknown, now look present from Elf. Yo, now, make a pause for a minute, a good second. Now, Alkaline is top tier when it comes to him artistry and him deliverance and all when it come out to the music. Now, everybody know me. I'm a lover of music. Like, me do everything with music. See me? So, if you put Alkaline at the class as Cartel, I would say no, but I definitely think Alkaline is in a class by himself. That is just my like, everybody knows say I don't am an artist. Everybody know that. See me? Big up Massacre, big up Cartel, big up everybody, but me is a loyal fan and I've been listening to I don't know from a long time. So just like how me think I don't in a class by himself, me feel like Alkaline definitely in a class by himself. Somebody else, chat with chat, good to good. That is definitely true. Influence in the world is gigantic, and that is true because, like I said earlier, Alkaline have some of the most loyal fucking fans. Trust me. Many if because of the new generation fans them, but the man have some of the most loyal fans, yo. I mean, nothing I gonna take that from the dog. The dog really have some loyal fans, G. With the slightest, now move frantic, make it like it. Skyscraper, the band top, run it up. Whip just by me, no for all off. You more that, me ask, sweat us, me let me hear what I ask, you know, hear what I want. Them way Man said she said me look nice. Remember one time I did warm. You see me? Cause that no homo still, but that nigga was a ugly nigga. No offense to the Alkaline fans. You see me? No offense. Alright, yo. In all honesty, the delivery is nice. I think the song is a good song when it comes to his accomplishments. I think he has done a very, very tremendous job when it comes to music, dancehall music, and the influence in music. However, now what I don't like is when vloggers or people like myself compare Alkaline with Cartel. You see me? Now, you can't compare Alkaline with Cartel based off of just catalog. We're not even going to talk about popularity or none of that. We're just going to talk about catalog. You see me? Hits for hits. You see me? And we not just talk local hits. We talk international hits. You see me? And Cartel has numerous amount of international hits. I don't think Alkaline even have as much international hits as Skilly Bang himself. So that's why I like to tell people, say, yo, Alkaline is a great artist. We're not taking nothing from Alkaline. We're not diminish him character, in music, or whatever, but we just have to speak facts. You understand? And we're going to always get an honest opinion. Alkaline is a giant in dancehall, mainly because Alkaline basically is not a collab person. You don't really hear Alkaline with collabs and stuff like that. And like it have Idonia, Governor, and like stuff like that. You don't have a lot of collabs. Like Skilly Bang, Chronicler, them a collab with a bunch of people. You don't really have Alkaline that do that. A man named one little world, I do him one little thing. And Alkaline is a smart youth as well. That's what I think some people desperately forget. Alkaline is very smart, so you can't compare the two. You see me? The man smart. You can't compare Alkaline with certain man that dancehall. Just like you can't compare Cartel with certain man that dancehall. Because Cartel is smart, Alkaline is smart. So we can get the comparison right there, but music wise, nah. But anyway, the song, I give it a 10 out of 10. So I think the song was a very good song. It come with a good message. I like the song in his name, Accomplishment. So I give man a solid 10 out of 10 for the song. You see me? So like, comment, subscribe. We are going to jump out and go on the next one. Hey, up.